Jewish Week on jn1.
Very often it is conveyed in Judaism that beauty lays within. However, in the Orthodox world, more and more religious people are taking interest in aesthetics, and over the last few years, plastic surgery has become more acceptable among this community.
The emphasis about beauty is very much. If you go to the Ultra Orthodox society, you can see them like, you know, getting out from the journal, from the Burda. Very, really very investigate a lot in the dresses and the beauty and fashion. All these issues are very developed.
Religious person are exactly the same as the other person. They have the same desire. They want to feel better with themselves. They want to feel younger, more beautiful, exactly the same. I see single girls about the age of 20 that they feel upset with her nose or upset with her breast. Sometimes they have asymmetry or something that is unnatural. And they feeling so upset with that they believe that that's the reason why they cannot date with the boys, and that's the way why they did not marry. And after the operation, she come and walk with her head up, and she feel good with herself. And I have a lot of stories of girls that married after the operation.
But single women are not the only ones interested in plastic surgery. Married religious women arrive to undergo procedures as well. Known to have delivered more children than the average woman, these religious women show interest in breast implants, facelifts, and tummy tucks.
After giving birth, the breast lost its shape, lost its volume, and a lot of women, they want their breast back. They are more realistic than the non-religious women. They want the natural shape, the proportional shape, proportional measurement, and they don't exaggerate with the measurement, with the volume.
Religious women are especially care about her faces. And the reason is because they are modest. All her body are covered up with clothes. And the only thing that the society see is the face. So they want their faces to look better, to look younger. And that's the reason why a lot of religious women make a facelift or blepharoplasty, upper bleph, lower bleph.
Though plastic surgery used to be taboo among the Ultra Orthodox, these days it appears their communities are growing more and more accepting of it, while at times even promoting the procedures with altruistic goals.
They see a lot of religious couples that coming, and the husband wants a woman to feel better with the way she looks. It's important to them.
One rabbi explained it to me, it's for a shlom bayit. The woman wants to be nice in the eyes of her husband. So I think this is one of the reasons why they want to do it.
Are there any special needs that religious people require when they come for plastic surgery?
Sometimes, you know, they want that just a woman doctor will treat them, or will see them, or will check them, or will do the diagnosis.
Woman on woman?
Woman on woman.
I'm a religious woman. I'm married. I have 5 children. And I know this word. I know the religious word. And I think maybe because of that, I understand those women much better.
And yet still there are those who continue looking down at these external procedures.
We still have a lot of rabbis and a lot of religious people that have the prejudice. They look down to women that care about the way they look, because the things that the important is the personality and the inner material, the inner things.
But some scholars explain that according to Jewish law, if the body isn't harmed, it is okay to undergo plastic surgery.
There is a rule, a very important rule. ונשמרתם מאוד לנפשותיכם. You have to keep your life. You have to keep your body, and then you're not allowed to do anything to your body, even not to damage yourself or to hurt yourself. You have to keep it. It's like a present from God. This is the halacha. In the halacha, I'm not allowed not to damage myself. of course not damage someone else. So I think that as long as these treatments are okay and I can't say that are not damaging, it's not a problem.
The personality is something that is complicated. It's the inside and the outside are going together. And sometimes when a woman feels bad with the way she looks like, it impacts her internality and she feels upset. And the opposite, when she wake up and she look at the mirror and she smile, she behave different, she speak different, everything is different because it's going together. The externality reflect to the internality.
Beauty is always inside. If you don't feel inside, so you will not feel outside. But a very beautiful woman, they have 8, 9 children, so they want it back, and I think it's legitimate. And if you can give it to them, why not?
It's okay to care about yourself. There is no reason not to care about yourself and not to treat yourself. And today we have a lot of options to treat yourself, and there is no reason not to do it. It's okay, it's legal. It's legal and it's fine.
For jn1, I'm Sivan Raviv, Israel.